12 Steps to Clear Relationship Doubts. Doubts in a relationship are natural, but if they linger, they can erode the bond you share with your partner. Instead of letting uncertainty take over, try these 12 steps to address your concerns and strengthen your connection. Communicate openly. Start with a candid conversation. Share your feelings and listen to your partner's perspective. Reflect on your feelings. Take some time alone to understand the root of your doubts. Are they based on past experiences, fears, or current issues? Seek professional help. Sometimes, a neutral third party like a therapist can provide valuable insights. Revisit your expectations. Are your expectations realistic? Misaligned expectations often lead to doubts. Spend quality time together. Reignite the spark by enjoying shared activities or trying something new together. Focus on the positives. Make a list of things you love about your partner. It helps shift your mindset from doubt to appreciation. Give it time. Don't rush to conclusions. Relationships evolve, and so do your feelings. Trust your instincts. Your gut feeling is a powerful tool. If something feels off, it might be worth exploring further. Discuss the future. Talk about where you see the relationship heading. Alignment on future goals can reduce uncertainty. Observe your partner's actions. Actions often speak louder than words. Are they consistent with what they say? Set boundaries. Establish clear boundaries to avoid misunderstandings and build trust. Consider the bigger picture. Think about whether this relationship truly aligns with your long-term goals and values.